LED headlights. The reason for doing this is, one, they're supposed to be brighter and a cleaner light. Also, I'm having a tire pressure monitor issue right now from the HID headlights. So I'm hoping that by putting the LEDs in, I will resolve this issue. Let me show you what's going on with the HIDs. So as you can see here, the tire pressure monitor light is blinking, and if I go into the screen here for the tire pressure monitors, none of them are reading. So this is caused by the HID headlights. I'm hoping by putting the LEDs in, this will go away. So let me show you how to go about this, and we'll get started. Alright, so the first step is to pop out these trim covers here, 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 and here. Once you get that done, there's a couple bolts you have to pop off. Then the grill pulls straight out. Then there's a top and a bottom bolt on either headlight, and you have a little clip that you have to push up on this door cover right here in the inner fender well. So let me get started, and you guys can watch how to do it. So I chose to get these LED style bulbs that don't have the fans. From what I've heard, the fans tend to burn out. So you got these ones with the heat sink that you can open up to fit inside of your headlight housing. They're supposed to be a lot better than the ones with the fans. So let's see how they work out. Alright, so I got the new bulb installed. I spread out the heat sinks here for the bulb, and it looks like everything's going to fit good with the cap on. So let's go ahead and test fit and make sure that everything's going to work before we go and put everything back together and move on to the other side. So let's plug it in here. Hit the unlock button to make sure that it works. Looks like we're good to go, so let's put it all back together and move on to the other side. Well, we had success. Both of the headlights are on, and if we go inside, you can see that the light is off and all of my monitors are working properly, so we are good to go.